Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 7:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, September 10th, 2021. Okay, this is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. We're here to talk about Origin, the Origin Protocol, the distributor of NFTs and DeFi, but from a peer-to-peer basis. So I don't have to go through OpenSea to go and get myself an NFT. I can just talk to someone who's got it on their phone, and he can connect over to me, and we can just exchange NFTs as well as, pay for NFTs that way. So it's really just straight up peer-to-peer. Subscribe if you want to hit the if you want to get notified and get hit up every time a video comes out. Click the thumbs up if you want people to be aware of the Origin Protocol. It's a great infrastructure play for peer-to-peer exchange of NFTs. Intraday updates are on the Twitter link below. The video, if you want to stay in touch with the intraday market moves and anything I'm tweeting out about. Anyway, let's go straight into Origin Protocol. The Origin Protocol to US dollar. Let's start there. Now, first and foremost, definitely some really nice long-term action here. We're still definitely on this trend. There's no two ways about it. Now, the question is, where are we going to go next? Well, I think we're going to stay on this trend. We're still on a bullish direction. We are directionally northbound. So I wouldn't be really selling if I was, a holder of this at this point. And I'm not, full disclaimer. But at the same time, I think we might actually have a good buying opportunity for those who are looking to buy. If you don't have a position in Origin, I may personally take a position in it, but we'll have to see. We've had a pretty bad drop here, and all really due to one thing. Let's face it. This was Bitcoin related to the El Salvador screw-up, but also the, and you can't blame them. I mean, they've really tried at least. But they'll get there. They're going to fix it all up. Everything's going to be nice. But just realize that when this thing started dropping, there was a lot of leverage in the system. So clearly, it amplifies the downfall of Bitcoin. So it truly took a lot of other cryptos down, and this was certainly one of those that got impacted, as were many. So we're still over though the support line. So I'm pretty bullish on this thing still, in light of all things going on. So let's keep our eye on this. Now let's go into Origin Bitcoin, and the same thing. We're still pretty bullish. Man, we're really tight. We're tight right there. Man, we keep bouncing off this thing. We got to stay over that line though, folks, as you can imagine. But at the same time, it's not impossible to do a little fake out, scare everyone, and everyone's selling, and then it pops back up again. Whales like to do that. So, we're still pretty bullish here, though. We're still on the uptrend. So, keeping our eye on that, going over to Bitcoin. And let me tell you, we are sort of range bound here. I am anticipating some sideways action. So, clearly over, since the Bitcoin fall here, we could still get down to that ugly 42,000 range that it hit on that point in time when, Bitcoin dropped a deuce right there. So if we go any further down, I'd say we have a nice floor of support around 43. Now, if I zoom out, I was just looking at this earlier. Clearly, we've had sideways action before, right over here when we took a real spill in May in Bitcoin. So look, I think we're gonna be fine with Bitcoin. I still have an end of year prediction to 80,000. You can follow me for the next 3 months. I feel like we're going to have a nice rally sometime real soon. Now let's go over to the Bitcoin dominance pair, which we clearly are, conceding to altcoins here in terms of strength relative to Bitcoin. And it's important to know that it's relative to Bitcoin here. It doesn't mean altcoins are going to go up just because Bitcoin dominance goes down. What it means is that if Bitcoin goes up, that means altcoins will go up more. If Bitcoin goes down, that means altcoins will not go down so much. So just understand that. I think it's important fact to know about how Bitcoin dominance actually works so that you can kind of have a better holistic view of your investing. So anyway, Origin to US dollar, still bullish. Origin to Bitcoin, Still bullish, but cautiously, I'm cautiously optimistic here. And Bitcoin, I'm always bullish Bitcoin between now and the end of the year. So nothing's changed here, and I think we're going to see a little bit of chop and sideways action in the meantime. Anyway, I'm out. Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.